living near the river. Can you imagine? Okay guys, in front of me I can see there are some pigs, and these pigs, they are special for making hams. These are, they are the best pigs which they are being bred in Hungary. They are called Mangalika breed. This is a Hungarian breed and it is well known for its best ham. So in this farm, these guys, they breed these domesticated pigs. So I'll take you around this area. You see the pigs. And it is in Czech Republic, like in Brno. But it's like 30 kilometers away or 40 kilometers away from Brno. So it's a very beautiful place to come and enjoy nature walk. Even in front of me, there are a lot of people, like they're just walking up and down the hills, and they have fun because this is like autumn, and outside it's like the best time or the best colorful season. Autumn is the best colorful season. The trees, they just change their colors, like red to yellow, brown. As you can see, just around how the nature around the farm is. Yep, these are the places where they stay. Inside, the pigs, they just, after eating, they just go inside and relax. Yes, as you can see, one of them is there inside, relaxing. So guys, as you can see the colors, the wonderful colors of autumn. This is what I mean, like a colorful season. And this is the ranch where I'm going to take the beef steak. This is the ranch where they sell the best beef steak. So I'm looking forward to have my lunch or dinner. Keep right, please. Yes. Breed called Aberdare Angus. It's the one of the best meat breed which is found here in Mitrov. As you can see, they are grazing. They are in a free range zone. They are grazing, so they don't have any fat, just muscles, and they have very fantastic beef. And in front of me, the house you see, it's like for the seniors, in Europe. If you're old, maybe your family can organize for you like a place to stay for your life, and you can pay like something monthly. They pay, but relatively for the old people, so that they cannot stay in the towns with the families. So many of them, they prefer to stay like far away. So it's like the house of the the seniors, elders, no? They just enjoy their passion life, this place, near this ranch. Every morning, they just walk around, seeing the cows how they graze. And at the far right, there's the restaurant, which I think the one who they own the ranch with the cows. It's a huge ranch. So if you come to Brunei, this is the place to be and enjoy very fantastic